Hey everybody, just wanted to make a quick video about how to convert your files so they work in Davinci. So I took some stills with my iPhone using the RAW format, and I'm going to show you right now that it does not work. So I'm just going to drag one over, and as you can see, media is offline, 3108. So I've already converted these using the Adobe converter, but I'm going to show you that it does work with the same image. So 3108, this is it converted. As you can see, it works. So I'm going to show you what to do with this program that you can download from, let's see, the interwebs. It is called Adobe DNG converter. Don't mind if I chop that. Download from here. I have Windows, so I use this one. Install it. It will open up like this. You're going to want to go ahead and put your photos in a folder. I already have mine in a folder, and it's called Stills. Right here, Stills. And you're going to want to select the location where you want them converted. I want this converted. I want the converted folder that I created within the Stills folder. This is very important. Now, there are a lot of videos out there that are not going over this, and what you want to do for it to work is you want to go to compatibility. Instead of having it on its default 16.0 and later, you're going to go to custom. You're going to choose DNG 1.7.1, linear and uncompressed. Press OK, convert, and you'll get this window here. Processing, and boom, they are converted right here. So what I'm going to do now is move that off to the side. I'm going to bring this over so I can show you. So we're going to use 3110. You can see 122. Sorry, don't mind the time, but 3110. I'm going to show you the one. This is without it being converted. 3110. Okay, delete that. Oh, don't know what I deleted, but something deleted. So delete that. Bring over the 3110 from the converted folder. 3110. Boom. Super easy. I don't know how this took so long, but that's it. Thank you very much. Bye.